Mickey torches a bill, eyes gleaming. Cut the leeches. Keep your coin, mate. Cancel the drip. Freedom's wealth isn't on autopay. All right, mate. Welcome to Cartpolix, your playbook to dodge life's traps. Click a card up top to see it steal. Hit orange text in the story for more. Menu's got apps and games. Check them out. Want the full hustle? Blueprints and premiums got the good. Oi, mate. Want the real deal? Cartpolix Blueprints ain't just a manual. It's your playbook to outsmart life. Get the lowdown on how to work the cards, a hardcore breakdown of our data, plus top and bottom 10 lists to dodge traps and hustle like a pro. Premium only, 'cause winners don't play cheap. Mookie winks, sunlight glinting off his knockoff watch. Struts the game, not the gold, mate. Ditch the glitz. Real class is owning your style. Zsa Zsa smashes a screen, sparks flying like a flick's climax. One show, not your soul, love. Cut the binge, seize your life's plot. Mickey trashes an app, grinning like a rogue. Likes? A cheap con, mate. Own your game, not their scroll. Break free, rule your story. Zsa Zsa flips a burger, grease popping like gunfire. Mickey torches a bill, eyes. Mickey tosses a controller, smirking like a shark. Zsa Zsa maps a local gem, eyes. Mickey's push-ups echo in the dawn. Free sweat, real gains, mate. Ditch fad gyms. Your body's the only gear you need to win. Zsa Zsa slices a card, fierce as a storm. Cash. Mickey scoffs at a Tesla, bold as brass. Zsa Zsa dodges a punch, grinning slyly. Mickey sets a timer, eyes sharp. 2 minutes or you're toast, mate. Zsa Zsa scribbles, cool as a caper's end. 3 pros, 3 cons, then move, love. Don't choke. Decide like a boss, now.